Grade 7s, welcome. This is a new Canada. It's a new chapter as well, chapter 13, and this is lesson 13.1. The question that we are going to answer in this chapter is, how did industrialization, urbanization, and technological change affect the identities of Canadians, both in a positive and negative way? Our chapter concept is society and technology. We're going to talk about that as well as our vocabulary words. So stick around and let's learn something. Chapter 13, it's a new Canada. We are part of Unit 2 still. This is post-Confederation Canada. This is a new Canada. The question that we are going to answer in this chapter: how did industrialization, urbanization, and technological change affect the identities of Canadians both positively and negatively? We'll be taking a look at our chapter concept, which is society and technology. And we've got a lot of vocabulary words here. I see that, I realize that. But here's some of the things that we're going to be talking about: technology, industrialization, revolution, computer revolution, mechanical power, cottage industries, factory, assembly line, minimum wage, mass media, unions, division of labor, strike, general strike, suffrage, old age pension, employment insurance, family allowance, public health care, baby boomers. It's all about science and technology, and try and go any length of time without tech. What's going to happen? It's going to be some problems, isn't it? Technology is central to our everyday modern lives, and they can be complicated like a satellite, but technology can also be a very simple thing, like a pencil. A pencil, believe it or not, is a type of technology. Regardless of the technology, the impact on society is vast. There's a big impact on society. Let's take a look at the automobile, for example. The way cities are planned today, or even made today, is with the automobile in mind. And the future of our cities is changing because now of not just the automobile, but now because of mass transit, rapid bus routes, and light rail transit or subways, let's say, even now with bike lanes and getting pedestrians more access. That's all because of technology. So we're sticking with the automobile, for example. And the automotive industry exists in Eastern Canada, which is going to have a huge impact on society. And then in Western Canada, we provide the oil and gas. So we have the oil and gas industry in Western Canada. All of that is having to do and revolve around the automobile. And I've got a map here. This map is the primary highway system of Canada. This system exists solely because of the invention of the automobile and the fact that a lot of us have cars in our families. So, technology and Canadians. When we think of technology, there's a lot that we need to include. We talk about those simple things, but then we talk about also how technology has created a new Canada in our story of Canada. We've got the invention of the light bulb, the telephone, cars, planes, new and improved farming equipment, radio, TV, weaponry, when we talk about war and things like that, computers, the internet, the list goes on and on and on. These are new technologies. Some of these are old technologies, but they are affecting Canada and its society today. All right, I want you to head over to your notebook and complete the questions for this part of the chapter.